Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, our definitive guide on the top 5 best women's bikes of 2024. Today, we'll unveil bikes that blend style, comfort, and performance. Stay tuned till the end as we reveal an exclusive bike that's not just a ride, but a statement of empowerment. Let's gear up and explore. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The AVASTA Hybrid Bike for Women. This stylish step-through bike promises comfort, convenience, and a touch of elegance for your daily commute. So, let's dive in and see what it's all about. Design build. The AVASTA boasts a high-carbon steel frame and 26-inch tires, ensuring durability and a smooth ride. Its classic design is complemented by a full set of fenders, making it not just a bike, but a statement piece for the urban explorer. Performance. Equipped with a Shimano 6-speed twister shifter, this bike offers precise gear changes for various terrains. The alloy linear brakes provide reliable stopping power, giving you confidence in your commute. Comfort. With a comfortable saddle made of brown synthetic leather and swept-back handlebars, the AVASTA ensures an upright riding posture. This design choice is perfect for those looking to ride with ease and reduce strain on their back. Convenience. The rear luggage rack is a handy feature for carrying your essentials, while the mudguards keep you clean from road splashes. Plus, the integrated headlights mean you can ride safely, even when the sun goes down. Suitability. This bike's 16.5-inch frame is ideal for riders between 62 to 72 inches tall, making it a versatile choice for many. Whether you're cruising on sidewalks or bike paths, the AVASTA is your reliable partner. Conclusion. The AVASTA hybrid bike is more than just a means of transportation, it's a companion for your urban adventures. With its thoughtful features and elegant design, it's sure to make your daily rides a joy. Happy cycling! Number 4. The ECTRIC City Cruiser Electric Bike. This stylish step-through e-bike promises a blend of comfort, convenience, and eco-friendly commuting. So, let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Powerful removable battery. First up, the 36V10AH removable battery. It's the heart of the city cruiser, offering a range of 21 to 40 miles on a single charge. Whether you're heading to work or out for a leisurely ride, this battery ensures you have the power to get where you're going without. From pedal assist to fully electric, you have complete control over your ride. And for those uphill battles? The booster mode has your back. Strong 350W motor. The 350W motor is a silent workhorse, providing a gentle yet powerful push as you cruise through city streets. It's like having a constant tailwind, making your ride effortlessly enjoyable. LED display warranty. Lastly, the intuitive LED display keeps you informed, while the 18-month warranty offers peace of mind. It's clear that ECTRIC values customer satisfaction as much as they do innovation. Conclusion. In the electric cruiser is more than just an e-bike, it's a reliable companion for your urban adventures. With its robust battery, comfortable design, and multiple riding modes, it's sure to bring a smile to your face. Happy cruising! Number 3. The Viribus women's bike, a stylish 7-speed cruiser that promises comfort and versatility. So, let's dive in and see if this bike is your next travel companion. Get out there. Viribus style safety. The Viribus women's bike is not just a mode of transport, it's a statement. With its retro charm and modern features, it's the perfect blend for those who appreciate aesthetics and functionality. This bike stands out with its unique design, making every ride a stylish affair. Smooth shifting gear. Up for adventure. Equipped with a 7-speed derailleur and thumb shifters, the Viribus ensures you can tackle any terrain with ease. Whether cruising through city streets or exploring winding trails, the bike's smooth shifting guarantees a stable and enjoyable ride. Front-rear storage carry your world. This bike understands your need for practicality. The rattan front basket and reinforced rear rack are not just chic but also incredibly functional. From groceries to essentials, or even a pet, your belongings will find a secure spot on your urban journeys. Safe, cozy ride comfort on wheels. The Viribus bike is designed for your safety and comfort. With shock-absorbing saddles, V-brakes, and aluminum rims, it offers a ride that's secure and free from wobbles, making it ideal for those extended commutes and spontaneous adventures. Ideal match for you. Customized comfort crafted from high-carbon steel with a low step-through frame, this bike caters to a wide range of riders. Supporting up to 330 pounds, and heights from 5 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 1 inch, it's built to be the perfect match for your daily rides. Conclusion: in the Viribus women's bike is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish, and comfortable cruiser. It's a bike that will not only get you from A to B but will do so with flair and comfort. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and ride in style. Number 2. The ANCHEER electric bike for adults. This isn't just any e-bike, it's a game changer in urban commuting. So, let's dive in and see what makes this bike so special. Extended range. First up, let's talk about the extended range. The ANCHEER comes with a 48V/10.4Ah battery that promises up to 60 miles on a single charge. And with a 3-hour fast charge, you're ready to roll in no time. Imagine the places you could go with that kind of mileage. Cruiser City e-bikes. Moving on to the enhanced Cruiser City e-bikes. This feature is all about comfort. The cruise control function is perfect for those long stretches of road where you just want to relax and enjoy the ride. LCD digital display night riding. The LCD digital display night riding is a standout feature. The display keeps you informed about everything from speed to battery life. And for those night owls, the rear light ensures you're seen and safe. Premium material safety. Lastly, let's talk about premium material ultimate comfort enhanced safety. The lightweight aluminum frame and double-walled rims mean durability without the drag. And with dual disc brakes and a front suspension, you're guaranteed a smooth and safe journey. Conclusion: to wrap it up, the ANCHEER electric bike is a stellar option for anyone looking to upgrade their commute. It's easy to assemble, comfortable to ride, and backed by reliable after-sales support. If you're in the market for an e-bike, this one should definitely be on your radar. Number 1. The Viribus Beach Cruiser Bike for Women. It's not just a bike, it's a statement of style and comfort. So, let's dive in. Retro meets modern. The Viribus Cruiser is a head-turner with its vintage charm and modern flair. The 24-26-inch frame is perfect for a leisurely ride along the beach or a quick trip around town. Its single-speed simplicity echoes the classic cruisers but with a contemporary twist. Durability on the go. Heavy-duty doesn't even begin to describe it. This bike's ATA cassette and premium rubber tires are built to last, offering exceptional traction and wear resistance. Whether it's a paved path or a rocky road, the Viribus Cruiser stands its ground. Safety first. With a sturdy carbon steel frame that supports up to 242 pounds, you're in safe hands. The non-slip handlebars, pedals, and reliable V-brakes ensure a secure ride. Plus, the added reflectors and bell are perfect for those dusky evening rides. Comfort in every pedal. The step-through design makes hopping on and off a breeze, while the adjustable seat and handlebars let you find your perfect riding position. Say goodbye to soreness with the cushioned saddle that smooths out the bumps. Storage solutions. This isn't just a bike, it's your new adventure companion. With a spacious front basket and a reinforced rear rack, you can carry everything from groceries to your furry friend. Get ready to explore more with the Viribus Cruiser. Conclusion: the Viribus Beach Cruiser is more than just a bike, it's a ticket to freedom and fun. It combines the nostalgia of a classic cruiser with the practicality of modern features. Whether you're a casual rider or a daily commuter, this bike promises a ride that's as enjoyable as it is stylish. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.